Welcome to Ikrel Lesson 3. I'll be going over the an endings, how to form the accusative with various words, and the definite and indefinite articles. I'm also trying a new style through my videos to try and keep it more entertaining. So, let's start it, okay? Hi, welcome to the an endings and conjugations. I'd like to start this off with saying I was mistaken in Ikrel Lesson 2. Lesson means to keep. I don't know how I mistook that, but yeah, Lesson means to keep, not to hold. But today, the verb we're going to be using as a demonstration for an endings is kopan, which does mean to hold. Trust me this time. It follows the same patterns as the ERN and EN endings, so there's not too much different. So with the first person, it's ich kopa, ich kopa, which is I hold. You just take rid, or you just get rid of the N. Ich kopa. Then we have tu kopats, same thing. You have the vowel at the end, you know, the an, the an, and you just kind of get rid of that and then do a, ts, tu kopats. Then we have ful and uch, kopeth, same as the en ending. It's the same eth. I'd like to point out that last time and this time I didn't give the conjugation for ets or ist, which is the word for it, and that is because last time I didn't think of it, and also I realized it's just the same as they. It's the same as ful and uch. So yeah, I'd like to just let you know that now. All the third person, same thing, okay? Then we have kosa, kopan, same thing, you don't change the verb. And then we have krit, which sounds a little different. It's krit kopait, And then for the command, we have the same one, kopegi, like hold this, like kopeki tako. And then on to the accusative. So, the accusative can be formed in 4 different ways, and that's depending on how the noun ends. If it ends in a vowel, you add thoi, and the plural of that is thois. If it ends in a consonant that isn't a liquid or a nasal, so the liquids are r, l, and the nasals are n, m, and ng, so any consonant other than that, you add just oi, and then the plural you add os, okay? Then for the liquids, if it ends in a liquid, which is r or l, you add o or ois in the plural. Then if it ends in a nasal, that's n, m, and the ng, the ng sound, ng, you add I, and then ice in the plural. Sorry, there's a bug. The articles, the definite article is de, or it's de if the next word starts with a d, a t, or a ch sound. The indefinite is n, but it also changes with it also changes in the same way the accusative does if the noun that it's referring to is in the accusative. So if it ends in a vowel, annoy. Sounds like annoy. If it ends in a consonant other than r, l, m, n, like the liquids in the nasals, you actually don't change that. If it ends in a liquid, so r or la, it's enno. And then if it ends in a nasal, it is ein. That's all. So tell me if you liked any of this. And with that, Bekor.